Hello and welcome to Learn to Drive the Easy Way. I'm approved driving instructor Michael Gambin, and I'm going to show you how to drive manual, automatic and cars fitted with disability controls in the easiest way possible. So sit back, relax and enjoy. And remember to hit the subscribe button underneath to see all of our videos. Okay, so in this video we are going to show you how to turn left into a road. Again, it's the MSP SL routine, so mirrors, signal, position, speed and look. So we're going to check our rear view, then the left mirror, followed by the left signal. Again, the speed limit of the road converted into meters, but if someone is close behind you or going to go past you on the left hand side, remember to signal earlier. Position, central lane position. You don't want to be right next to the curb, but if there are two lanes, then be in the left lane. Once we've done our position, the next thing we do is our speed. So again, slow the car down nice and early. By the time we get to the turning point, we only want to be doing around sort of a fast jogging pace, so 6 to 8 miles per hour. So we're slowing the car down, using our brakes, and we're looking into the road that we're turning into. So is there any pedestrians that we need to be aware of? Any parked cars that we may have to go around? And therefore, is there any cars coming out of that road? Because we would then want to give way to them so we don't block the junction. Remember to steer when the front of your car lines up with the beginning of the corner and follow the curve nice and tight. Try to keep on the left hand side of the white line in the centre unless there are parked vehicles to avoid. Now I'm going to show you how to do those turns. So mirrors, signal, braking nice and early, hands at the top of the steering wheel and turning into my corner. Little bit of throttle and straighten back up, and you can see I'm keeping it in the centre of this lane. I'm not going too close to the white line and I'm not also right next to the pavement. So turning left here, so rear view mirror, left mirror, left signal, braking nice and early, slowing the car down, hands at the top and turning into the road. And you can see I got to 8 miles per hour before starting that turn, 6 miles an hour through the corner. One more left turn, so mirror, mirror, left signal. I've come off the gas, I may need to reapply, it all depends. Because I'm uphill, and straightening back up again. So I hope this video has helped, and I would suggest to look at turning right into a road next.